Ay nako, makakatikim mamaya. Ano joke?
Nakabuo ako.
Let's go. Turn it up until the roof is shaking. We're about to put on a show. You know we're all about the good vibrations. Come on everybody, let's go. We turn it up until the roof is shaking. We about to put on a show. You know we're all about the good vibrations.
Hi Pa. Today, surrounded by all of your loved ones, I choose you to be my husband. I am proud to be your wife and to join my life with yours.
Ano nga ba ang magandang kasama? Ang damit ay tatago, ang mga ninong at ninang ay uwi sa kanilang pamilya, ganun din ang mga abay. Ngunit ang matitira lamang ay walang iba, kundi kayong dalawa, Paul at Diane.
Beside you, I love you like I do, and hold you the night through. You never wake up where you are, wondering if I'm near or far. I'm bound to nothing but you. It's forever, no matter I do. I'm bound to nothing. Oh, all of the places that we'll go.
Diane, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Mark Paul na narito ngayon na sunod sa batas at magtutuloy ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father.
I'm bound to nothing. I'm bound to nothing but you. I'm bound to nothing. I'm bound to nothing. I'm bound to nothing but you. I'm bound to nothing. I'm bound to nothing. I'm bound to nothing but you. I'm bound to nothing.
Ma, there's no other place I'd rather be right now. It's not about the wedding. It's about us. It's about being beside you.
Siyempre, 3 years namin, actually 3 years nga, from nung na-engage.
Yung personality niya kasi, very positive siya. Yung, kumbaga, yung stress para sa kanya is tinitake niya as advantage.
Tada!
Life is wonderfully beautiful. Life is wonderfully
Sa bandang huli, ang magandang kasal, ito ay nagtatagal. Kaya nga lagi niyong babalikan ang inyong marriage vows na kayo ay magsasama ng panghabang buhay. Kaya nga, huwag niyong kakalimutan, una, maging tapat kayo sa isa't isa.
I vow to support you, inspire you, and love you every day. I can't promise to be perfect, but I will strive hard to be me. I'll make you happy every single day in my own special way. I love you.
Life is wonderfully beautiful. Life is wonderfully beautiful. Life is wonderfully beautiful. Life is wonderfully beautiful.
And I will let you know every single day that I love you so much. Happy wedding.